I've got two means to carry my folding fire pit when I'm camping: in my spare wheel bag on my vehicle and in this thing, the Blacksmith Australian made fire pit bag, a purpose-built bag to suit these kinds of fire pits. Blacksmith are flying the Aussie flag high on this one, manufacturing these high quality canvas bags out of their factory in Adelaide. It's got this military-like canvas, 505 grams per square metre, or GSM canvas, which is really, really hefty, and reinforced stitching. This thing is really, really well made. My second video on the channel talking about the Snow Peak, I had three gripes with this bag in particular. First of all, the shape of the bag. I think it's overly complicated. You've got to orient the fire pit to put it in. I would have preferred a square bag. Secondly, it's open on the top, so it's just not waterproof at all. It's got a strap and a buckle. It's got two of those, and you just strap it down, so it's not waterproof in storage. Third one, there's no dividers in the bag, so it's all just one section, which means the fire pit, the grill bridge, the stand, it's all free to clang around and create road rattle and make a noise. And my fourth gripe, which I didn't talk about in that video, was it doesn't really need a shoulder strap because I'm never carrying it that far away from my vehicle. These straps just end up getting in the way more than anything else. And this bag addresses all those concerns. It's got a heavy duty, and I mean heavy duty, YKK zip straight over the top. It's a square bag, slightly oversized, so everything fits in, packs in there really nice and neat. No messing around and jiggling it to make it fit. And what I like the most about it is that it's got not one, but two internal dividers made of the same heavy duty canvas. So you've got three compartments to store your fire pit and make sure you don't get any of that nasty road rattle. On the front here, there's another mesh pocket to store things like flint, fire lighters, your fire gloves, that sort of thing. And on the back side, there's a fully canvassed in Velcro pocket, which is for storing your charcoal mesh or charcoal grid for when you're cooking. It's not just oversized in the sort of square direction, but it's got a wide base on it. So you can fit your fire pit in there, but you can fit other stuff too. So you can have your grill bridge, your fire pit, and if you've got the Drifter Stockton or Snow Peak, which has the X stand and the more to the base, that all fits in there fine. And then you've got plenty of room. So if you've got a grill plate you like, I've got the Osprey Campbry grill, that fits in there as well. It's all in one place, so stays with the fire pit, and it can all come with me. It's super convenient like that, so you've got more room in there for other stuff you want to bring with your fire pit. I've been using this now for about 12 months, pretty rigorous use, lots of use, hasn't let me down. I think it's a great upgrade if you've got this kind of fire pit. So yeah, it doesn't matter which one you've got, the Snow Peak, the Darche, the Drifter Stockton, the Kings, what else is there? Camping Moon, Camprite, Grills, Quokka, the Red Roads. There's a whole bunch of them now. Zerali, Spinifex, Sanhema, there's heaps of them. No matter which one you've got, this would be a really good thing to consider. The main benefits are no more road noise. Your fire pit's got a beautiful home to live in. If you're packing up your fire pit and storing it in a carport or just leaving it on your balcony, then having it fully sealed is a better way to store it for sure. You can drag it around the campsite. You're not going to get dirt in there because it's nice and sealed. And if you had a ute and you wanted to leave it semi-permanently in the back of your ute, this would allow you to do that too. At about $75 Australian, these make a good birthday, Christmas or Father's Day present. And I think they're pretty reasonably priced considering you get a high quality Australian made bit of camping gear. No one's asked me to make this video. I'm doing it completely off my own bat. The only input into it is my own. You've seen me use these fire pits on the channel for a long time, and I've had this about 12 months. It's been valuable to me, and I'm sharing it because I think it might be valuable to you as well. I made a video on how to build a great campfire in one of these fire pits, so check that out next. Best wishes and happy camping.